But as you can see, the train stopped right here. So we're thinking we're gonna pull a Duke of Hazards. We're gonna put the ramp down. I'm gonna go over it, you know. Hey guys, Rhino here. So today we got a call and we're going to recover a U-Haul that got stolen. There's no keys to it. Hopefully we can put it on neutral so we can load it up, you know, and take it back to San Bernardino. The weather right now, it's about 90 degrees, maybe a little bit more. So it's gonna be a hot day. Also, I like to give a shout out to Brian Ostrowski. You know, he's the one that gave us the lead call to this. Thank you, brother. I hope I didn't butcher your name. Also, he does have a YouTube channel for magnet fishing, and he has pulled out, you know, safes and guns and engines and stuff like that out of the water. So, you know, it's pretty cool. So if you want to go check it out, I'm gonna leave a link under the you know, on the description below. And of course, thank you guys for coming along, and I keep recording once I get there. Thank you. Jumper by Honesto. Get yours before they run out.
¿Cómo se llama el perrón? ¿El noco?
El noco, ¿qué noco ni qué? Árale. Right now we're on the Cajon Pass Boulevard, historic Route 66. We're almost there.
In half a mile, slight right onto Eisenbrook Road.
¿Amigo? A dump truck, I guess. Over there, I recovered a Tahoe, I think it was. I'll put a link on the video so you can see it. But we have to go all the way over there and come in through here. Hold on, let me check the map. We gotta go past the train tracks. Okay, so according to the GPS, we have to go past the train tracks and make a right. But as you can see, the train stopped right here. So we're thinking we're gonna pull a Duke of Hazards. We're gonna put the ramp down. I'm gonna go over it, you know. Nah, I'm just kidding. Of course. Anyway, well, I guess we're gonna have to wait for a little bit. No, no se oye nada. It looks like there's enough clearance right there.
No, Rhino, no lo hagas, Rhino.
No estoy güey.
No te vayas a meter allá abajo, Rhino. No metas la cabeza, Rhino.
So as you can see, the train goes all the way over there. But over here, you can see the U-Haul right there. You see that? We're like so close, but yet so far. Because of the train is not moving. Check it out. Oh well. We'll see what we do next. we talked to somebody local, and we asked them to give us a call whenever the train moved. Of course, we would give them a compensation for that, and so we're waiting on the call, but we might be able to find a way around. We'll see about it. Stay tuned for part 2.